Hello, my name is Audra Platt. I am an estate planning attorney here at Pittman Law Office. And today this is part 2 of our fiduciary duties discussion. So last week we kind of did an overall broad sweep of what a fiduciary duty is. They have a duty to the beneficiaries of your estate plan, whether that be a will or a trust. So now we are going to talk about the first of 3 categories when we condense down the main responsibilities of a fiduciary. So the first one is collecting and managing assets. So as soon as possible after someone passes away, generally speaking, they need to go in and remove valuable items and store them properly, remove locks or change locks if they need to, figure out if there are dependents on that decedent. Does money need to come out of the estate immediately to help those dependents? Are there cash assets? What are the assets? Is there a safe deposit box? If there is, make sure that you go in, you take an inventory of what's in the safe deposit box with a bank representative. Make sure that you know that the homeowner's policy is still valid, even if the house is vacant. So make sure that there's still policies on vehicles, making sure that the assets are protected, whether that's from actual people coming in and stealing them, or what if there's a fire or a flood. Now, also you need to get the mail forwarded to your address so you can make sure and know any of the expenses or bills that are out there. Even if someone pays their bills up to date every month, most likely when someone passes away, there are going to be outstanding bills. So bills need to be collected and paid. Depending on the bills will dictate which ones need to be paid and what type of estate you are managing. Are you dealing with a probate estate or are you dealing with a trust? Depending on the type of estate will depend on which bills actually get paid and how they get paid. But first thing before anything actually gets paid is making sure that you know what they are, that you have an inventory of what's in the estate, whether that's mortgages, outstanding mortgages, or loans that the decedent was holding for other people, any outstanding life insurance policies without beneficiaries, or if they had beneficiaries on them, just finding out the assets. Also, you need to cancel any credit cards, any subscriptions, see if there are any refunds available, making sure that you marshal in all these assets, collect all the information that you need. And during that process, it will be so much easier if you make sure that you have all of your information in one file where your trustee or your personal representative can go to your house, grab the folder, leave, go back to their house and have everything they need. So that's going to include any contracts, mortgage statements, titles, deeds, birth certificates, marriage licenses, anything that you think would be beneficiary for your personal representative or your trustee to have on hand to finalize your life will be helpful for them. So if you have any questions or concerns, go to our website. We have a lot of information that will help you figure out some of the things that you need to leave for your loved ones. We have a great personal information handbook that is a PDF on our website that is very helpful. Start filling that out. It'll kind of get your mind geared towards some of the things that we think that are important that you have written down for your personal representative or your trustee. So make sure you have all these things in order for your loved ones. It will make their life so much easier. Again, if you have any questions, reach out to us. We can help you establish an estate plan or update your already existing estate plan. Our number is 352-399-6944. Come and see us next week. We are going to discuss the final 2 categories of responsibilities for a fiduciary. Thank you.